Kubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba ke Jylla konrat ki sangma uloang ba anpej bat Khmih bnia deki Riewstad iki par ki badon Hapoh ke Jylla na ke benta banti iki Marpoh Khyndew. Konrat uloang bakini ki Riewstad kin puli bnia ya ke jinglong jingman ke Khyndew ke Siam ke Jaka bat ke Suin Pdeng bat nangta ansala bantip laki Jaka ki biang ne em banti. Konrat uloang baki badon iki par ki bashimet ru anhap banyo jimenjer na ke Sorkar Pdeng syua banti iki Marpoh Khyndew. Nalor kata, la benrap da kabaong ba kamde ka basok na markani kade kasin ka baningkong ka ba ka Sorkar Pdeng hi kan Khmih ikini ki jingdon ki par bat kumta ki don ki an ki babun ki ba ka Jylla ka habban buot ambalong ki weipat ki Jylla hakari.
So each one has got their own mining plans. I'm not an expert in the mining plans, and hence I don't want to comment on all those aspects. But all the plans will be approved by central government agencies, which is what is being done. And the process, of course, is tedious because, as I said, there are different aspects of the land holdings, being different in our state compared to the others, and hence the policies that apply here are different from the policies that apply in the rest of the country, and so on and so forth. So keeping all those factors in mind, the fact that this is happening for the first time, things are taking a bit longer than we would want to. But once we have a system that comes into place, the policies, and as and when the tweaking takes place for the cases for Meghalaya and wherever adjustments need to be made based on the different conditions, I'm pretty sure that in the coming months and years, the following processes will be much more smoother. So therefore, it's a process. We are happy that things are moving in the right direction, and we're very hopeful, as I said, that things should be happening very, very soon. So let's wait and let's hope for the best. As I said, we're very positive. It's in the right track, but I don't want to share too much. We'll speak more about it when actually happens.
So, but as a state, and given the topography that we have, is it feasible to have an open cast mining?
That's what I have just mentioned to you, that basically the mining plans are made by mining engineers and experts. I am not in a position to be able to comment on it. And that's the reason why we have expert Government of India agencies that are going to approve that. So obviously they will study all the aspects and only then give